What's up? It's Connor with In Your Driveway Auto again. We're back to working on the 2007 FJ, and we're just going to put running boards on it today. So, super simple. I already put one side on. I'll show you how it looks real quick. That's this side. Looks pretty decent, not too bad. Obviously, I'd rather have set bars, but running boards will work for now. This is some of the stuff that we got in that bulk buy a couple weeks ago. So got them super cheap. The wife couldn't get in the car hardly, so she's kind of short, so I'll put these on here now. She can step up in there. All right, so back to installation. One over on the driver's side. It's super simple. It's just 6 bolts, 2 here, 2 and 2. And if you set it down next to the car, you can kind of line it up to see where the bolt holes are at. And if you look under here, you can see right here, this is the first 2 sets. The bolts are already in the car. All you need is a 12mm socket and a ratchet and an extension. You just undo these bolts, and then there's 2 right here. And then you can't see it because it's dark, but there's 2 right there also. So we gotta take those out. We'll hold the running board up in place while we put some screws in to hold it in place, and then we'll tighten those screws back down, and that's really it. Alright, so we got all of our bolts taken out. Now we can take the running board, just line it up with those holes. I'm gonna put 1 bolt in the front to hold it, and then 1 bolt in the middle, just to keep it from falling down on me. Alright, now it'll hold itself up so I can get the rest of these bolts in. Alright, now we'll just tighten everything up and it should be good to go. Alrighty, look at that. Super easy. It took about 20 or 30 minutes to get these things on here. So now some short people can get up in this truck easy. Thanks for watching.